Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. I want to welcome you to this very special presentation. Now, before we get into the content, before I show you how you can relicense and copy my $40,000 per month online business, I want to preface it by telling you a story that led me up to this point. Okay, and this isn't going to be a story about rags to riches and showing you guys all my credentials. This is going to be very, very straightforward and why I decided to go out there, number one, create my own products and kind of step out of the affiliate marketing arena, but not fully. The reason why I started to create my own products, number one, was because I was getting shut down by places like Facebook when I was running Facebook ads because I was promoting business opportunities, and even YouTube for promoting business opportunities through YouTube ads. Can you guys relate? If you can relate, I'm sure you can raise your hand right now. I'm not gonna be able to see you, but I'm sure there's a lot of you guys that can relate. So I was at a point in my business where I really wanted to scale. I was uploading a lot of content on YouTube. I was building a big email list. I was taking a lot of action, but I just flat out got burnt out. And I knew the next stage to scaling my business was doing paid advertising. Again, whether that be through YouTube or Facebook. I knew that obviously Google was the number one search engine on the planet and the number one most used place online to search for things. And I knew that YouTube owned Google. And if I was going to place an ad on YouTube, which is the number two search engine out there, and then a number two traffic website, that I was going to have to be compliant. And then I believe Facebook is like number three or number four. So I wanted to leverage the top trafficked websites on the internet, and I failed and failed because the assets that these affiliate companies were giving me just were not compliant. So what I decided to do is go out there and create my own products on the internet and then sell the business opportunities on the back end. And I began doing that, and lo and behold, I started getting massive results. But what I realized was most affiliate marketers, new or even some veterans, can't go out there or don't know how to go out there and create their own front-end products, because what front-end products allow you to do is break even on your advertising and even make money, and also avoid getting shut down, which is the most important thing. So I wanted to solve that problem for myself. And now that I've finally solved that problem for myself, what I want to do is I want to gift that to you. If you're somebody that's been trying to make money online, trying to drive traffic, trying to get sales, accounts have been shut down, you keep hitting brick wall after brick wall because, traffic is the lifeblood of your business. I'm sure most of you guys know that, and that's what most of you guys are actually struggling with, or maybe it's just simply getting started, then this video is for you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump to the virtual whiteboard of justice right now. I'm not really into doing PowerPoint presentations, just want to write it up real quickly and get this content out there. So hopefully this is good enough for you guys. So this is the flow of my business right now that I want to give you the ability to copy. I want to run through this funnel, this flow real quickly for you and show you kind of some of the assets and show you my results. So before we go ahead and actually get into this, let me show you guys that I practice what I preach. So this is just this year's results. As you can see, year to date, $666,000 net volume from sales. Okay, that's after refunds, chargebacks, merchant fees, all that stuff. Then if I jump to my Google AdWords account, which is actually this one right here, you can see that this year, January 1st, October 25th, $204,273 that I've spent. So that's still a profit of well over $400,000 from the money that I've spent on ads. So I wanted to show you guys those results first and show you guys that you're copying something, you're about to copy something that is 100% proven to work. So now that I've shown that, let me actually show you the flow, and I'm going to show you the marketing assets that I used. So first thing is I get traffic in two ways. I get traffic from my YouTube channel, and if we actually jump over to the good old YouTube channel right here, and we just type in my name here, I've built up a subscriber base of nearly 75,000 subscribers. Now, I don't want you to have to put the work that I've had to put in to build a subscriber base of $75,000. So, or to build a subscriber base of 75,000 subscribers. So make sure that you stay to the end of the video because I'm actually going to show you how to get there a lot faster. So in conjunction with YouTube organic traffic, I've also been running YouTube ads. Again, you guys saw the proof that I've spent over $200,000 this year. And if we go to all time, I've spent $317,233. So again, it's proof that I know what I'm talking about. So I've been leveraging those two traffic sources, both from YouTube, to make this whole entire process work. And you're going to be able to copy this whole entire process. So essentially what I do is I send people to, of course, an opt-in page. This is the exact opt-in page that I send people to. They click here, they enter their name and email address, and then they're sent to this case study video. So they go from the opt-in page, then to the product page. When they go to the opt-in page, they obviously go to an email autoresponder series in which I follow up with the prospects day in and day out, giving them value and then sending them back to the sales page right here until they make the decision to buy. If they don't buy, then they just simply go on other email lists to promote and sell some of our other products and some of our higher ticket products as well. So once people get to this page, they watch this case study and they follow the directions here. When the timer does hit 0, which it's not showing that here because it's a page that I've already visited. But once that timer hits 0, then obviously the offer disappears. So there's some scarcity there. If people decide to buy, they go to the checkout page and then they go straight to an upsell where they purchase a $49.99 per month upsell continuity product. Not to mention on the checkout page, there's something called an order bump. So when they fill out their information to purchase this product, they also have the opportunity to purchase another product here as well. So 3 products just right here they're purchasing, which allows me to make the money that you're seeing right here and also allows me to profit from the advertising that you saw from just this year, which was over $200,000. And that's because of this process. So after they decide to purchase the upsell, or even if they don't purchase the continuity upsell, we offer them the same upsell for $247 per year. So what'll happen, even if they take this upsell and they take this upsell, they'll obviously be refunded this $49.99 a month, and then they'll just be rebilled $247 per year. So I'm making all this money on the front end of my advertising before I even promote or sell any business opportunity or any products or services on the back end. So the biggest problem for most people is they can't set up all this stuff. They can't set up all the sales materials. They can't create all the products. They can't deal with all the customer service. And I get that because, again, the first 5 to 6 years of me being online successfully, I didn't create any products or anything like that. I'm at a place now where I have, employees, I have systems and processes, I have people and the infrastructure that obviously allows me to do this. And so what I want to do is I want to give you all of these assets. I want to give you the ability to deploy all of these assets into your life, into your business, so you can start generating results. Well, why am I doing this? Why would I obviously give this to you? Well, the reason why I want to give this to you is because number one, it's going to help you. And number two, it's going to help me obviously make more money, make a lot more money. So having you on board as an affiliate where I can actually train you, where I can show you exactly how to use all of these assets, it's going to benefit us both greatly. So what I want to do is I want to extend an offer to you. I want you to be able to relicense this whole entire process. So you don't have to write any of the emails. You don't have to do any of the selling or telling. You don't have to build out any of this sales process. This again is called a funnel in case you don't know that for those of you guys that are a little bit newer. I want to give this proven process to you. I'm even, listen to this, I'm even going to give you the ads that are converting for me right now. So you're going to be able to take these YouTube ads and upload them to your channel and copy them and send people through this exact process. You're even going to have the ability to copy my YouTube videos, if you choose to do so, upload them to your channel, or even just embed them on a page, which is probably the easiest, task to deploy. And you'll be able to leverage my name, my brand, to build your business. So this is essentially what I want to do. And I actually want to show you the inside of the members area of what you're going to get access to. So number one, you're going to set this whole entire system up. Of course, before you do that, you're going to get access to our Facebook group where I do live trainings and Q&As and give you guys updates to any changes that we make to the system whatsoever. So you're on the cutting edge of what works. We're always releasing new sales videos, releasing new products that you'll be able to leverage on the front end of your advertising to keep this offer fresh. A lot of people have questions about saturation. Well, Josh, what if this offer gets saturated? Chances, it takes years and years for something to saturate, but even if it does, that's okay because we're switching out different front-end products. We're giving you access to new front-end products that you can use in your marketing just like this, okay? So you're actually going to be able to make 50% commissions on all of these front-end products. Plus, you're going to be able to make commissions on all of the back-end products where we do all of the selling and telling for you. So you're going to be able to make up to $10,000 plus in commissions per customer. That's the ability that you have. So I digress. So once again, you're going to join number one, the Facebook group. Then you're going to complete the campaign overview where you're going to sign up as an affiliate. Then you're going to set up your campaign. You're actually going to copy my assets and deploy those assets into your business. And then we're going to show you how to check your affiliate analytics, how to track everything, and kind of show you where your sales are coming from and just how to read all of the data. Then we're even going to go into some training on how to fish for yourself. So not only do we want to give you a done-for-you system, but we also want to teach you how to be independent, how to go out there and start generating your own fresh leads using YouTube advertising, even starting your own YouTube channel after you get your feet wet and use some of my assets that I give you. Okay, so first off, to fish for yourself, you're going to understand who your ideal customer is. Once you understand that, then you're going to start mastering free traffic strategies. So I'm going to give you full access to my traffic mastery course, which is going to give you full access to my YouTube program, which is not only going to show you how I've generated over 74,000 subscribers, but also how I've generated millions and millions of dollars online. So you'll just fill out your information here to get access. After you do that, then you'll get access to my YouTube ads course. So you're going to check out the overview here. Then you're going to fill out the information here to get access to the course. And then after you go through the course, you'll be able to copy my YouTube ads. Again, I'm always updating this back office with new YouTube ads that you can download and use that are fresh, that are my best ads that convert. Okay. And again, you'll send people through this same exact process. So after you complete that, you'll sign up to the free Traffic Rotator, which I'll explain in just a second. And then even the paid Traffic Rotator, you can actually pay for YouTube traffic if you choose to do that. That's completely up to you. Maybe you don't like the daunting task of setting up YouTube ads yourself. That's completely fine. You can purchase traffic from us. We'll set up the ads for you. We'll spend your money for you with our highest converting campaigns that we have available. Okay. And then as a bonus, you'll get access to my 30 days to sales program, 100% free, where I'm going to show you, you're going to actually watch me build a new business from nothing in 30 days or less. So here's what the offer is. Let me reiterate this. Number one, you're going to get access to the Done For You marketing system. I'm going to show you how to set up your affiliate account so you can start earning commissions. You'll earn 50% commissions, as I showed you, on all front-end system product sales and up to 100% commissions on back-end high-ticket sales. My team and I will do all of the selling and telling for you. All you need to do is send the traffic. So I was alluding to the free Traffic Rotator. So to help you get jump-started, I'm going to send one mass email out to my list of over 40,000 active subscribers coded with your affiliate link, and you'll have the chance to earn commissions off of my efforts. So I'm going to do that for you right off the bat. You'll also get access, as I showed you, to Done For You YouTube ads. So instead of dealing with shady solo ad providers that don't work, you'll be able to plug into my #1 converting traffic source online. Allow my team to set up the same campaigns I'm running right now to create 100% profit. You'll also get access to my free traffic strategies course, as I showed you, as well as my paid traffic strategies course. And then as a complete bonus, you're going to get monthly case study training and assets. I'm going to show you how to copy my emails from new campaigns that are successful, as well as copy my videos from my YouTube channel that are successful that I'm using with these given campaigns. So again, every single month, I'll release my proven $1 million affiliate marketing assets, emails, sales pages, videos, etc., that you can use inside of your own business. And then last but not least, you'll get access to the Facebook group, where you'll be able to connect and mastermind with other members, as well as get any questions that you have answered by myself and my team. I'll go live from time to time to announce any potential updates, as well as give you value and insight to take your business to the next level. So if we were to add all of these different programs up, that equates to roughly $12,497 in value. Obviously, I'm not going to charge $12,497, although I believe that the value is obviously there. I know most people right now can't just fork out $12,497. So I wanted this to be expensive enough that you would take it seriously and realize the value, but inexpensive enough that most people can stretch to afford something like this. So I'm going to allow you to get in for one-time fee of $2,497. You'll get access to everything. You'll get access to the bonuses, the assets. You're able to relicense my whole entire business. And heck, you can choose to promote whatever you want to promote on the back end. So once you capture these leads, I'm going to show you how to nurture these leads. I'm going to show you how to promote different products and create multiple streams of income. The results that I showed you are just part of my results. I mean, I can log into my ClickBank account. I can log into other affiliate accounts, and I show plenty of that proof on my channel. So if you're at this video, I assume that you already trust me, you already know me, you've followed me maybe for some time, or maybe this could be first, second time, but you feel that you trust me, and this is an offer you want to take me up on. If this is, and you like what you're seeing here, go ahead, click the link below, place your order now. And also, if you're somebody that maybe can't afford this specific price point, but you're somebody that would like a payment plan, you can also check out all the payment options below by clicking that link below. So again, everything is going to be listed below this video of what you're getting access to. If you have any questions whatsoever, all you got to do is email me. My email will be below at support@joshelder.com, and I'll be happy to assist you with any questions, and I look forward to having you on the inside.